Hello everyone. Today I want to work on some Halloween dangles. I grabbed an array of spooky beads. So I'm going with the clear white tones, gray tones, orange to brown colors. And I have a variety of sizes. I also grabbed this one. I figure I can work some of this into all the beautiful colors I have. These are like really large seed beads. And then I also grabbed some spider rings. Look, I like to take these apart and use it in other projects. So I was thinking about adding this to the dangles. I just need to figure out how I'm going to add it. I also grabbed a black chain that I can fill with all kinds of goodies. I want to work on this also. Look. Well, not work on it, but I want to disassemble this and work it into my project. This is a bracelet, see? And then it comes with the ring, so you put it on here and then you get the bracelet on there. I want to take that apart. I also grabbed some beading wire. I have the gold and black. Let's see, this is like an antique gold color. I think that I will start by working on these charms here. And see how we'll do this. I think I can just, oh look, it came off. I can probably, no I won't. It's just stuff I don't need. Okay. There we go. And then this one. Oh, came off right easy. That's good. Now, I think this is also just glued on. There we go. Then this one. And then these are just jump rings. But I don't like it that it's upside down. I wonder if I can like pry this off. Can see where the hook is right there? I think I can pull this up. Oh, there we go. See, now I can turn it this way. That's good. And I'm going to take that apart also. There we go. And I'm going to finish prying these off and then I can glue these back in correctly. And then you'll need to use like glue that works on metal. Okay, and drop these back in. Make sure you open your windows when you're using metal glue, because it does have a smell coming off that glue. There we go. I'm going to put these aside and let them dry while I work on the rest of my jewelry. Now I need a piece of this. So, I guess I can go with 3 inches maybe. I did make some jump rings, some large ones, so let's see. I have some silver jump rings too. Orange one. I want to take, I think I'll use an orange. Put this on here. And I'm just going to close this. There we go. And do a silver one on this one. Let me put some of these together. here are my dangles. I kind of sorted it so you can have a good look at what they look like. Move that one over. There we go. So this one, I have the jack-o'-lantern, a charm on there. This one has a spider charm with a big spider. I have a web charm, another big spider on that one. And then this one has a tassel. I have 2 chains that have tassels, so this one too. And then this one has a big spider. I have a jack-o'-lantern on this one, a jack-o'-lantern. And then this one has a skull. And the last one here has crossbones. I'm happy with the way they turned out. So I stayed with the orange and the black tone with some white accent on there. Of course, and I have silver on there too. So these are ready to be attached to a journal or a gift tag. I like it. I'm happy with how they turned out. I hope I gave you a few ideas today on how to make some Halloween dangles. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time.